So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city while trying to put my mind at ease. Like finishing this melody, this feels like a necessity. So this could be the death of me, or maybe just a bad. Now come in with the timpanis and take a shot at